right, Friday the 23rd. Let's do a quick recap. So, yesterday, a bit before 7, Nasdaq was a buy 11,105, a sell 10,973. There was this tiny bit of a trigger here, really just enough for 5 points. The high is 11 and a quarter. Long at 105 gave you the 5 points. If you didn't take it, I imagine you would have gotten stopped out here. This was a nice retracement. Then popped up. I guess there was some kind of news here. Popped up to 40 or 41. So that was good for 35 points. Now, US Open, here we are, broke pretty good, broke the 973 and took it down about 60 points or so on the downside, and then just kind of stayed in between. This wasn't quite a trigger. The low here was 75. Trigger is at 73. So yeah, just a whole bunch of nothing from first breaking the buy, then breaking the sell. Available profits on both, but no follow through, and that's a typical kind of a holiday trading, right? So, for next week, I can continue to post numbers. Just keep in mind, volume is going lower, and you're gonna see more of this kind of a nonsense going on. So, if you have an opportunity, grab your money quick and be done. Don't wait for any major moves. I'm not saying major moves cannot happen, but we might see next week more of this kind of a thing, right? All right, let's take a look at oil. So oil was a buy 78.81. Once again, London Open seems to be the place for oil. So there was a first trigger here, gave you a whole bunch of ticks. Below the trigger, again up, a whole bunch of ticks, and a third over here, but still before the 9 a.m. Open. So after this point, they did not give you any more opportunities to get in. So that's just how it works. I guess with oil, you got to wake up a little earlier, or have something like the Blue Wave auto trader. Just you leave it on and you let the auto trader take the trades for you, as long as you trust it, of course. That's it. I did receive more interest in the breakout box signals. There are some things I need to work out. One of the main things is once serious trading starts after New Year's, will I really have the time to post these numbers, which would be obviously very time sensitive? I would have to send them on Telegram before price actually enters the box. It's a bit tricky. I am kind of trying to figure out a way to do that. I will keep you informed. So that's it. Have a good weekend. And like I said, next week, just be careful.